Welcome to Lutong Bahay with Nanay. Today we are going to make broccoli with shrimp. Okay, so right now, ano ba yung ginagawa natin? Pinapaboil muna natin yung tubig. Waiting for the water to boil so that we can put the broccoli in. And then half cook muna siya para later, once the ingredients for the shrimp is finished, tuloy-tuloy na natin siya malagay. So right now, pinasok na natin yung broccoli sa loob ng pan. So right now, pinatay na natin yung kalan and we're just waiting for it to letting it sit for a while. So that it will be cooked 3/4 para hindi sayang sa gas. So this is the sauce. This has oyster sauce, brown sugar, white pepper, and some sesame oil. There. Okay, so we're starting with some oil. Right, so hot na ngayon yung oil. Hot. Now we're putting in the garlic and also the ginger. Oh, there's ginger here. Oh, okay. We have some yung shrimp natin dito. Anong nilagay dito sa shrimp?
Egg white, white pepper, cornstarch.
Egg white pepper, cornstarch, and
Some sesame oil.
sesame oil. Yun na? Okay. Some sesame oil. Shrimp with broccoli. So delicious. Mga kalutong bahay, let's make this na.